Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a really great website for learning marketing. Now you may ask, Mehul, why again marketing? You are already a developer, like front-end dev and a designer. Why marketing again? So basically I have three reasons. That is, first of all, I'm a founder as well, so it's great to have marketing knowledge and how to sell things. And second is obviously you should know how to sell things or how to sell yourself to others, like sell your services to others. You should know all about that. And third thing is how to write greatly, precisely, greatly, and how to write impactfully. That should you should learn, because this is a basic skill. When you even when you want to get a job, this is a basic skill, like writing simple things, like writing simple and impactful things, or speaking them out. Okay, so this is something you should have. Like, some of the people are natural salesmen, they can do it flawlessly. Some of are not, so it would be a great resource to learn from. So that's why I am sharing it. So let's visit the website. Okay, so here is our today's website. The name of this website is only the marketingexamples.com. Now here you can have, like, you can get tons of types of marketing examples, like content, SEO, sales, social ads, copywriting, landing page, retention, brand referral, all lots of things. Okay. Now rather than that, he has a great thing, that is, you can subscribe to his newsletter. Like, here you can see the, hey, I am Harry. Every Monday I share three short examples, two copyright tips, and one favorite trick. And I would never opt for any newsletter. Still, I'm telling you, opt for his newsletter, because if you even look at one of his works, like, let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you in the copywriting section. So I will just show you from here. Okay, it's a 5-minute read, and every point of this article is, like, to the point. Great. This is a piece of gem that he has created over here, huh? And it's really great. So if you want to learn such great things, like have such great things into your portfolio, not portfolio, like learn such guesting and create something great and have them into your portfolio, you should, I think you should learn from it. Like, you should subscribe to his newsletter as well. So that's it about the video. Like, he have a tons of it, and to be honest, me myself would go for all of the categories that he has made over here, and I would like to read all of them, because they are such a great piece of content, to be honest. Now the site looks a bit wanky, obviously. It doesn't looks like a soothing website that you can use, but I don't know, it's obviously his preference of creating this site. I don't know why he has created this in this way. Whatever, that's not my point. The content you are getting here is the, like, the most valuable thing out of it. Okay, so please subscribe to his newsletter, and please use this website to learn marketing. Like, there are a ton of people recently asking me, like, I want to get started with digital marketing. How will I start? From where should I start? Okay, so from now on I will just suggest them this website, because why not? This is a, like, great piece of resource to learn everything. So that's it. That's basically it. This is my pitch to you for following this website. That's it. Like, I never do such thing for like websites that are made by others if I don't find it too much useful. So that's it. That's it. That's it pretty much from my side. You let me know if you like this website or not, and if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.